Hello everybody, it's me Naturally-Roshani here again with another video. Today's video is all about upper body workout. I did include jump rope in the beginning of the video, and at the end I did 100 in the beginning and 100 towards the end, so in total 200. Yes, so each exercise other than the jump rope is 50 seconds, 3 rounds, but I only recorded 1 round because it would have been too long. But I have a second channel, guys. If you are interested in fitness video and working out, I will be recording longer videos for, exercise purposes. Anybody who wants to lose weight and start a healthy journey, I will be uploading fuller, longer workouts on that channel. Please do subscribe to that channel if you are interested. Thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Okay, bye-bye.
Feeling like you're lonely, someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah. Make your own sunshine. Smoke 'cause it's alright. Your heart's a red kite, let it lift you up. Can you feel the love? Can you feel the love? there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do, yeah. Make your own sunshine. Smoke 'cause it's all